If your slides start to look like encyclopedia pages, then it's safe to say it's time to spice them up. And the best way to do that is to trade your blocks of text for a visual narrative. My name is Nathan Umoh, and I'm a content writer with experience crafting professional presentations. In this video, I'll give you 5 quick tips you can use to make an effective visual story with PowerPoint slides. Strong visual presentations need strong PowerPoint slides, which you can find from the popular creative service known as Envato Elements. Envato Elements gives you unlimited access to millions of creative assets, including visual PowerPoint templates with your subscription. It has unlimited downloads, simple commercial licensing, and no-fuss cancellation. Envato Elements makes working on your projects easy. Sign up today through the link in the description. Learn more about presentations, marketing, and other business topics and videos like this when you subscribe to our Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel. Free educational content that you can dive into whenever you'd like. Now, when I talk about creating a visual narrative, I don't mean that your title slide has to start with once upon a time. However, your slides and content should have a clear beginning, middle, and end. If you stick to this basic story structure, you'll be able to find visuals that will help you get your point across. I'll give you some tips here that'll help you get the most out of this core presentation idea. Telling you to use photos, videos, and graphics may seem obvious when this video is about how to make visual stories in your PowerPoint presentations, but I just want to highlight how effectively PowerPoint handles these things. All you'll need is a template with placeholders. Then you substitute those placeholders with your content. It only takes a couple of clicks, but those clicks will take your slide deck to the next level. Making sure those visuals match the story you're telling is one of the best ways to keep hold of your audience's attention. The key here is to make sure your images are relevant to your presentation. When you pick these photos, pick ones that are authentic and have some life to them. Look at these photos from Envato Elements. They can be used in different types of presentations. Each one evokes a different type of feeling that can help you contextualize your content and storytelling. Data is critical, but let's be honest, it can also be kind of boring. If you have some crucial numbers to share, change those bland tables to eye-catching graphics. Check out this example. The watercolor chart just pops off the slide. The difference between this and your average chart is pretty clear, and it's why you should take some time to make your data look appealing. In that same vein, you should find more clever ways to show processes. Timelines, project schedules, and more all look great as visuals. And one of the best ones to use are infographics. These are graphics that help visualize your information. Look for infographics like the ones found in this presentation template with mountains, arrows, and more. It has a number of different timelines that will help you tell a story in PowerPoint. I've told you about how important the visuals on your slides are to making them appealing to the people you're presenting to. So it may seem a little backwards for me to tell you to cut back on slide elements, but trust me, it's not. It's all about removing any distracting visual content. Remember, as a visual aid, your PowerPoint slide should keep the focus on your content. If it doesn't serve a story purpose and is not part of your layout, you should remove it. Artista is a great example of what I mean. Each slide is colorful and creative, but it doesn't overwhelm you with random elements. You can find Artista and lots of other effective PowerPoint templates for storytelling from Envato Elements. One subscription gives you full access to unlimited creative downloads for presentations and more. Sign up from the link in the description below. We've also got more helpful videos like this one right here on the Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel. Everything from PowerPoint to Photoshop once you subscribe and turn on notifications. When it's time to present, do more with your slides. Tell your audience a story through the visuals you choose. It's a surefire way to make sure that information you present sticks in your audience's mind. Happy presenting. I'll catch you in the next one.